How to download the GTA San Andreas. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Google or any browser that you are using, and from here you have to search for it. So once you are in, you have to scroll down a little bit, and from here you have to go in the Google Play. Now basically you have two options to buy the first one is to buy it from the Google Play. So you just have to go in it, and from here you have to buy it. And the second option is you have to go in the Rockstar Games, and from here you have to search for the GTA. Now from here you have to simply click on the buy now. So once you are in here, you have the whole package to buy it. So you just have to simply click on this buy now option, and after that you are able to sign in the Rockstar Games. So once you sign in, you just have to go in it and you are able to buy it. So this is how you can download the GTA San Andreas. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.